you doing? Renee, no. No, get off.
I've been here for so long, just a little too long. Think I need to get out of the door, but I've never been a brave one. Always was a tame one, always double checked all that I knew. But that safety is a danger, yeah, there's only one way out. It's through and through. Oh, through and through, I'll find my way to you. Though I'll admit it may take me some time. Oh, through and through. Oh, through and through, I will be there for you. Separate life, and I don't know what I've been waiting for. It feels like I'm always losing my way. I'm doubting every step I take. I know that everything finds its place, although I wish I knew where to. I guess I'll have to see it through.
Say it again. Old piggy looking boy.
Just let yourself go.
Nigga, what?
Yeah,
Why did he wave?
Mom!
I probably should have worn like other shoes.
Gracie? Hello. Where are you going? You gotta strut like me. Vlog. I am so tired. My eyes are so dry, my contact will not come out. So, I have not eaten all day. I come home. Tell me why the fridge is full of food. And then, this is still warm. Because I was going to go to Tammy's and Kelvin's like wedding celebration today that they held for the Central region. But your girl is worn out and still haven't picked out for my classes because it didn't work. And it's still hot. Like, I'm still sandy from the beach. So, and it's 6 o'clock. It's time.
Who's this? Hello? Nate? Okay.
Yay, nay.
Hey, boy.
Better stop.
Luis. Luis.
I don't even know.
What does it say?
They are, bro.
Focus. There, stop moving.
I'll make some feel green.
What up, vlog? I'm going through a really tough time right now. But Kit Kat orange flavor. So this can either be the best thing I ever had, or it can go along with the rest of the day. The worst thing I've ever had. So I'm actually about to try it. Orange Kit Kat. Actually really tiny. It smells like orange. Ooh. So good. Too bad there's only one left though. Hello vlog. I'm vlogging in the restroom. Like in the restroom stall. Okay, so I was able to get into my classes. These are my classes. I have a total of 4 in one lab, so that's 5. I got 2 psychology classes, my A&P class, and I'm retaking math. So everything was able to work out. yeah, I'm just really excited, and I just really need to use the restroom. So, vlog, I made it home. My class was long. Hey, vlog, just got out of my math class. I'm officially shook. Like, bro, there's so many people here. Like, I can't even think. I need to buy books, but I don't know if financial aid would pay for that. I'm not trying to buy books out of pocket money. But yeah. Feels pretty cool going to ACC. I'm really happy. Totally forgot I had class. I'm gonna be late. Okay, crossing by. Oh. I'll never finish this. It's coffee. Today was a very long day. Vlog, it's like 1:20 a.m. I took like a nap, but I think it was like 3 hours. I think it was like from 5 to 7. So yeah, and then now I am studying psychology. Well,
I go full out when I rehearse, run it back like
since it is summer, it won't be raining a lot, right? That could go. It just started raining harder. Dang it. I'm gonna get to school. I'm gonna get there. It's just gonna take a little bit of time. I should be leaving now. Yeah. Vlog. Send help. Ay, 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 ay. Send help. Help. Back home, back home. No. Hello? Wow.
Yeah. I'm like,
Oh,
that's weird.
do that again.
What? This
Yeah.
or this?
Ew. Lisa, hi. Do something for the vlog.
Chick-fil-A closes at 10. We can pick Chick-fil-A up.
Sucks. Oh.
My vlog sucks. You lucky I stopped recording at the time. Really does. Ew.
Wait, we're not going to the tea house?
Probably not. No. We have I have a lot of
It's kind of hard to carry you with one arm. Man, hold up. I'm not tall enough for that.
I was like right in there.
Man, you the one who took my hat, bro. What do you mean I'm the one who took your hat? You didn't know that? I knew somebody took my hat. It was scary.
Oi, hey. I don't like being pushed backwards. I don't like being pushed backwards, so I feel like I'm gonna like. That's why I was scared of falling in that.
You can find a ride.
My phone is still recording.
Coming all the way out there and then